Saiñ Hima Sima Synrop lang kadai ke bahak khmat do hapo jela Meghalaya bat ke result jong kani ke Ilekshon bansawan lada umdon bajob bon brio tam kumbalaya thu lupa ki riu shampang ke Saiñ Hima Sima bat kanom deishu hiru ke juk ke khana ke badang thamai lajar kat taru ke Kheiñ ke Diah ke ban satreikam Shuwa ke sengi tap vote ke dei ke barok ki pusan bat pelet jingmut janai Agabe day bat kani na kalyang katanak patai kubor jong ke Daily News Shillong kelayola banyakaran markhmat bagi katu kat nengut ki nong Saiñ perthei jong kani ke jela bat wat laki jingsngo shimet jongki ki appear way no way pat hendai maki baro ki la kubur pat ba kano ka jinge Synrop kala banja ne banlong.
If it is a fragmented mandate again, I do not wish to say that this party will not work with that party and that party will not work with that party. Because at the end of the day, governance continues and goes on in every state. I don't think there are many parties left in the state that will have any definite numbers that will propose not to work with X, Y, or Z party.
The problem will be the same history that happened in the 2018, where the largest number political party in MLA in terms of MLAs, they lost the government. But this smaller party, they led the government for 5 years. So it may be happen, but it's too early for me to work with any political person. It depends on the equation. We are open to every party. We can discuss, because I think you understand that in the coalition government, the smaller party is more powerful than the larger party.
Katem keput karwai